How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp. Make sure that you sign in. Navigate to any chat. And let me send a message for demo. You can even long press on that particular message of the chat and then tap the three dots at top right and select copy. Now this message has been copied to your clipboard. To delete these copied messages in WhatsApp, tap on message bar at bottom and tap on the four square like icon on your keyboard. Here you will get different settings. Simply tap on the clipboard icon and under recent you will get the copied message. Long press on the message and select delete, and with that you have successfully deleted copied messages in WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.